Imagine this. You're running the most up-to-date antivirus and operating system, and yet in under 2 seconds, I can take over your system without triggering a single alert. 64 security tools failed to spot it. One didn't. This is real techniques hackers are using right now, and if you don't know how it works, you might already be vulnerable. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how cybercriminals pulled this off.
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and research purposes only. I am not promoting or encouraging anyone to damage or compromise another person's system.
Set up a trap inside a secure virtual lab. My goal is to recreate malware evasion techniques being used by real attackers. I named my test file Happy Life and ran it. Within seconds, I had remote access. I could browse files, watch processes, even shut the system down, all without the victim's knowledge. Here's the scary part. Most of the world's leading antivirus programs didn't even blink. Windows Defender, silent. Avast, nothing. 64 scanners, gone. Only one caught it, which is Kaspersky. Kaspersky, huge respect for that. Cybercriminals have a playbook for dodging detection. Here are 6 of the most common techniques my Happy Life test was built around. Obfuscation, hiding code by scrambling it, often encrypting it twice or more. This makes the malicious parts invisible to quick scans. Polymorphism, the code mutates every time it runs, same behavior, different appearance, so signature-based antivirus can't recognize it. Code padding, filling the file with useless math or dummy functions to trick scanners into thinking it's harmless bloat. Sandbox evasion, the malware simply waits. If it detects it's in a virtual test environment, it delays execution so automated scans give up. Staging, breaking the attack into tiny steps, each looking harmless on its own until the final payload is assembled. Anti-static analysis, renaming and restructuring code so analysts and their tools have to work much harder to identify it. There are real-world methods that security researchers and criminals use every single day. If you're thinking, that's terrifying, how do I stop it? Good, that fear is healthy. Because the truth is, attackers don't need to compromise everyone, just the unprepared. And the unprepared are often the loudest about thinking they're safe. Defense starts with layered security, updates, careful link handling, behavior monitoring, and yes, using tools that actually spot these evasive techniques. In my lab test, Kaspersky was the only security suite that stopped Happy Life before it could get reverse shell, so you know which antivirus to get. Hackers will keep evolving. Security has to evolve faster. And the people who understand these tactics, people like you, are the ones who won't get blindsided.